A Chinese proverb states that a picture is worth 10,000 words, but most of us know it as a picture is worth 1,000 words. Today's writing, we're going to go back to some personal narratives, and I'm going to ask you to do a little digging around your house for a photo that is meaningful for you. Take a walk around your house and see if you can find a picture that you want to do a little bit of writing about. Maybe it's hanging on a wall, maybe it's in your phone, maybe you want to dig out those photo albums and see if you can find a picture that captures a great moment from your life. As an example, I was scrolling through my phone and found this great photo from a vacation I took a couple years ago with friends to the Florida Keys. We went on an airboat tour and saw a whole bunch of alligators. Now, obviously, that picture is not a real alligator, but it came out perfectly. And I was thinking about telling the story of going on that airboat tour because it was quite an adventure. Once you find the photo that you want to write about, tell the story behind it. Who was with you? What did you do? Where did you go? When was it? And why is this a great moment in your life? Happy writing. Set your timer for 7 minutes and 42 seconds.